Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a vegan baking recipe because vegan baking is something I very much enjoy doing, and I think especially for the holidays this is great, so I hope you stay tuned. You want to start out with some kind of vegan milk. I use almond milk, and you want to heat that up together with some vegan butter or margarine. You want to make sure there's really no kind of dairy in there. So you want to heat it up until the butter part is completely melted and let that cool down to a warm but not hot temperature. Then you want to go ahead and add your yeast and let that activate for 10 minutes. Then you want to add sugar and salt and mix that together. Now you want to pour it into a bigger bowl, and then you want to go ahead and start adding your flour. And first you want to stir it in, and then as you go you can slowly start kneading the dough when it is the right texture. So you want to make sure that your dough doesn't get too dry. It should feel like a very soft, nice texture. And then you want to let that sit for an hour to rise. Now you want to prepare a surface for rolling out the dough, and you want to just take it and roll it out into a rectangle form. So I like to fold the edges and then roll it out a little bit more to really get the form right. And then you can take your melted butter and you wanna just brush that all over the dough. You wanna be quite generous with that. Then you wanna add your sugar and cinnamon mixture. And then you wanna roll up the dough quite neatly. And when it is completely rolled up, you want to separate it into 10 pieces. Now I'm using the back of the knife. And it was a bit sticky still, so I decided to just go ahead and just help them be a better shape when I put them on the baking sheet with some baking paper. Then you want to take a little bit more butter and just brush it on there, and then you are basically ready to bake with 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. You want to check because mine got a little bit too brown, so you don't want to leave them in too long. But these were really tasty. I really enjoyed them, and so I hope you give them a try and try some vegan baking this year. See you soon.